So XRP has now been raging over 4 days between 360 resistance and 340 support. And honestly, I'm loving this price action. Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't? I'm gonna, like, people are gonna be partying on their yachts because of this. People are already partying because of this. Little price markets. We're seeing consistent respect to the trend line, which used to be resistance and is now acting as a support. That's a classic bullish flip. And the fact that buyers step in every drop, bulls are still in control. That's what I'm telling you. It's predetermined. You cannot stop. I think some people will sell, and people have been asking me on the weekend, why has the price dropped? You told us good news will be coming. There was a comment I saw. Oh, you told me good news is coming, and you said 12 hours and nothing happened. And when you check my videos, we literally got the Trump media confirming about a 14 billion buy. And I don't blame them. Crypto is a very, very new industry for a lot of people. And it's my job to tell you what the news source is, the real source, right? Anyway, we are going to go to XRP because I am right on a lot of this stuff. We got a third touch of the trend line and price is starting to creep higher again. Again, it's reaching new highs and new lows. This is what exactly the thing I told you guys over here. Reaching new highs and destroying new lows. Technical analysis, retracement level remains valid until a new high is made. Since we haven't taken out the 3.66 high, we got respect the 3.20, 3.25 support zone as a possibility if 340 gives out. Right now, I'm leaning bullish. I'm definitely leaning bullish as well. That's the important factor. So, holding trend line, holding Fibonacci, consolidating over resistance. So it does seem like XRP is basically conforming to go to $4. It is working towards that path. Now, if it's going to reach $4, we don't know yet. So let me check on the 5-minute mark what it is. So it is getting sold out a bit. It's lowering a lower bottom, which I kind of didn't expect. But again, it's trying to push back on that. So, you know, they have a lot of Bitcoin, but that's okay. That Bitcoin is probably lost for a long time or forever or until it's like $2 million, $3 million. Even companies know it's going to be $3 million. So, you know, just let that sink in that this money will forever be maybe on the market. Maybe they will buy XRP at some point. You know, other countries will buy XRP. US has already announced it. Thank you for everyone for smashing that like button. All right, so I'm seeing a positive here. Let's go 10%. Let's go 30x here. Yeah. Seems like XRP is trying to, like, whales are trying to break that momentum, but it's very hard right now to break all-time highs. That's the issue. $4, next stop is $10. I think, yeah, $10 is definitely possible. Once you see it, right? And it is going to happen. So yeah, $10 happening. And that is the good news. I'm really, really excited. Let me see. I should have some rewards here. Just to make this a bit cheaper. All right, viewer rewards. Redeem. Oh, $5. Nice. Okay. Give me a VIP. Activation not allowed. Give me $5. Okay. Whatever. Let's go trade. Let's go make money. VIP XRP. Okay. Here we go. It seems like they're trying to break another bottom. $100 is not possible at this point. Even $10,000 is not impossible. Is it hard? XRP to $10,000 is something that people were calling for SHIB, you know, impossible. But the thing is, it can happen, you know. And that's the important factor, you know. We saw it happen. It can happen again. So once we see it, we see it. Again, a lot is going to be for $10,100. We're going to need to see a lot of XRP being bought out. You know, a lot of whales will sell. A lot of people will sell. But it is like a 10-year, 20-year plan. People are saying $10,000 is not possible. But once you realize the the strong compounding effects. So here I have to short it now because shorting is cool, I guess. So yeah, it's literally free money because the whales are trying to sell it. They're trying to form like this high, some whale bought, and now they're trying to push this low lower, right? They're trying to squeeze out the whale. But I get destroyed here because it seems like the whales are really like pushing toward getting XRP down. We gotta check some videos later as well. So yeah, the next plan is for XRP to hit. Again, so much trading volume. It's to hit 3.6 and staying 3.6. If it stays 3.6, pretty bullish. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for that. Would be nice. Again, guys, anyone new here? XRP just hit a new high, you know, a new support level. Basically means that whenever something gets sold, it's sold forever. See, I'm already 2% in profit. That's what I'm telling you guys. It's going to drop, you know, it's going to drop slightly. But the whales are trying to squeeze it out. So now we're going to try to look where the whales will try to back it up. And once we find that, that's when we can actually go take a profit. So always remember, 1% profit is better than nothing. You wait for a good trade, even if the trade is a bit risky. If you're holding XRP, that's fine too. There's plenty of ways to make money. But yeah, this is bullish.